Here's how we keep our team busy and organized using Trello boards.
Go to their board right here. So Alex's board is right here, and this is all the stuff that he's working on. So the good thing is that I don't have to like get with them in the morning. He already knows what's going on. So this is what I was talking about earlier. There's 3 channels, so all the automatic notifications are going to go to one channel. So we can just go there and find that prospect and then talk about that prospect in there. And then same thing for Sarah. Like when I go here and I got her board right here, and then I just keep adding stuff. Anything green is like stuff that she's working on, and then stuff like this right here, stuff that I gotta get back to, right? But it's another good thing too, because same thing with I've done a couple of this with Rob as well. So if I think about anything, I just send that over, put that over here, get it out of my mind, and then once I do this, then they get a notification, they start working on it, so they don't depend on me to tell them what to do, which works really well.